Hey my angels, it's Aidette. Today I am bringing to you a get ready with me to go to an event. And before I start this video is sponsored by Scentbird. They are amazing. You guys have known that I have been working with them forever. And since I am going out, this is going to come very in handy because it is very small, compact, and amazing. It's basically just a subscription for every month that is $12.95 for a 30-day supply of designer fragrances. So amazing, super cheap, and very convenient because since it is so small you can just throw it in your bag and it'll be very concealed. So I did get 2 scents this time around, and this is what the packaging looks like. It's just this very compact white sleek Scentbird packaging, and you just flip it up like this, and you can even take it out like this to see what the name of the bottle is. So this one here is called Philosophy Amazing Grace. This smells so beautiful, and the second one that I got is so beautiful. It has this red packaging, and when you open it up, this one is in the scent Glossier You. They both have different unique smells, and I think that it is amazing that you guys can get up to 3 a month if you guys upgrade. And just so you guys aren't confused, I do have a card on what exactly it is and how it works. To use, twist to spray, twist to close, just like lipstick, like I showed you guys. To replace, you can twist it, pull the old vial up to remove, drop in the new scent, and twist and spray. So if you guys like a certain packaging, then you guys can put a new vial in, and there you go, you have the same packaging but a different scent. First thing you do is you go online and you rate perfumes for a more accurate recommendation list. And the more perfumes that you rate, the better your recommendations are and the more that you have to choose from for each month. Number 2 is update your order. Choose your new fragrance before the 5th of the month to lock in your scent. Third is get free products. Earn free products when you tell your friends about Scentbird, which is going to be very easy. You just do www.scentbird.com/invite. Last but not least, now you can try fragrances or bath plus body products each month. Want more? Upgrade to 2 to 3 a month at www.scentbird.com/upgrade. So very simple, very easy, and now you're going to be smelling fresh everywhere you go. Since this is very small and very compact, you can throw it in anywhere. You can honestly put this in your pocket and just spray as needed. You are good to go for 30 days. So if you guys want to join the subscription with Scentbird, I will put the links down below, and any information that you guys need will be down below as well. So now moving on to our get ready with me to go to an event. I'm gonna first start off with using my favorite foundation, which is not even a surprise anymore if you guys have been watching me for a long time. This is the NARS Sheer Glow, and I'm using the shade Stromboli. I'm getting ready right now to go to a party. It's actually a Musical.ly party, so I'm just gonna be dotting this all over my face. I'm not really gonna be doing a tutorial today. This is just gonna kind of be me getting ready with you guys. So like I said, today I'm going to a Musical.ly party with my friends, and it's said to be like one of the biggest parties that they've thrown yet. Urban Decay's all-nighter line is definitely a hit. I love all of them. Guys, I just got this brand new LA Girl banana powder 2 weeks ago, and I am running out. Like, I'm struggling to get any product out. This just goes to show how much I go through these because I love them to death. By the way, as I always say, I always do have a code for LA Girl down below. It's just Aidette10, and you can also use the link just to make it easier for you guys. Get you a girl that can bake without even looking. Talent. So plenty of you have been asking me to do a gym routine. I know I have been putting it off for sure. I'm not even denying that because I even know myself. I sometimes get in like little funks. I just don't feel right going ahead and just showing you guys my routine if I fell off of it, you know? Like, I want to be consistent again. I used to go literally every single day, like even twice a day sometimes, and I started kind of like feeling a little bit hard on myself because I was I can't believe I stopped. I was doing so good, and it just kind of sucked, and I got in like this little rut and all that stuff. And then it's really hard to actually get back into the gym after you have a break. But once you're like in the rhythm of things, you're like, oh my god, I want to go to the gym, let's go to the gym, let's do it. But if you get off, it's actually really hard to get back on, but you just have to have that drive, that motivation. When I tell you guys that I cannot get enough of this Anastasia Peachy Trio, this is in the shade Peachy Love. I literally cannot get enough of it. This is the only thing that I have been why can I never talk? You guys know that I have always been obsessed with MAC's Melba Blush, and that's what I used to like only wear, but this is very close to it, and I feel like if I one day want to wear this color or this color or this color or all together, it just goes hand in hand. And you guys already know the drill. So Hollywood for my highlight by Anastasia. This stuff, I don't know what they put in it, but it's freaking amazing and I can't stop wearing it. So now we're done with the face, and now I'm going to be moving on to the eyes. My favorite palette recently has been the Anastasia Norvina palette. I opened it and I was in for a surprise because it's not even purples. It's mostly like a pink, and then mostly like warm bronzy shades and very pretty colors that you can wear on an everyday basis. Sadly, summer is coming to an end. It's already August 1st today. A little bit later than August 1st because I'm pre-filming a lot of videos just because I have been having lots of inspiration just to film and just roll out some videos. Summer has just always been my favorite season. I feel like it's just so great to be able to be outside all the time. It's always super sunny and hot. At least in California, it's like blazing hot every single day. Like, summer's awesome, but I am definitely excited for the colder seasons. That's what I say right now. And then after, I'm gonna be like, oh my god, it's too cold. I want the heat again. So since today's event, I'm gonna be wearing purple. I'm gonna go ahead and just wear some purple eyeshadow. I normally don't go for purple, I know, but today I'm gonna do something different. I thought I was gonna wet my eyeshadow, but I'm a little scared since purple isn't my forte, you know? Why am I like low-key shaking? I'm a little nervous, but we're gonna get out the comfort zone today. Oh, it's actually really pretty. It's like a nice little wash of purple. Since I am wearing a white top and I'm wearing purple shorts, I thought that it would be like kind of cute to just incorporate some of the purple on my eyes. Also, a lot of you ask me what I use to whiten my teeth. You guys have asked me that since a long time, but right now I'm actually using some pressed whitening strips. I kind of stopped whitening my teeth for like a long time because my teeth were just like white enough. I was like, okay, it's fine, like I don't need to whiten my teeth. And then I am a huge coffee drinker, so it actually does stain your teeth a bit. And I was starting to notice in pictures that my teeth weren't as bright as they were before. I have just been feeling so much more confident, and I'm not saying that you guys need to go out and go whiten your teeth, but personally for me, it just made me feel a lot more confident and makes me want to smile more, you know, makes you a little bit more happy. For the lower lash line, I'm gonna be using some of that same Celestial and just running it on my lower lash line just so I can have that pop on the top and bottom. Also, even though purple isn't very much my favorite color, I think that this is really pretty. I would actually wear this again. I'm gonna go back into the crease and bring back a little bit more of that warm tone just because we lost it a bit and we don't want to overpower with the purple. Fun fact, if you guys didn't know, if you guys have hazel eyes or green eyes, the purple will make your eyes pop. So it's pretty simple for the eyes. All I did was put in some transition shades and then a purple shade and you're good to go. Now we're gonna be moving on to the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Great mascara, love this. And I'm gonna be using my current favorites, which are the Lily Lashes in the style Hollywood. I've used these like 5 times, I think. Guys, there's an eyelash that literally does not want to stay up. Like, it curls down and then goes up, and it's so annoying. I'm gonna cut my eyelash off. Like, I'm literally gonna do it on camera right now.
Don't do it. Yes. Oh my god.
Just did it. I swear to you guys, I wouldn't have done that if it wasn't bugging me so much because I have never liked the thought of just chopping off my eyelashes, but that one was being really rude.
Don't be fucking rude. Are you kidding me?
Messing up my vibe every time. I'm also gonna highlight my brow bone. I'm gonna put a little bit of Dreamer right here, which is like a champagne-y pretty color, and just running it up here on my brow bone just to lift it a little bit. Pretty. Okay. Okay. I get really excited when I like a look. Okay, where is my lash glue? That would be nice to know. My goodness, I know I said this in every video, but the difference. I'm contemplating to see if I should put on some waterliner. Now, moment of truth. Should I do the lower waterline? YOLO. We're gonna do it. We're going for it. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna take it off. There we go, much better. So I just easily reversed it. So looks good. Looks poppin'. I'm currently uploading a video right now onto YouTube, and this is my Hawaii vlog. If you guys haven't seen my Hawaii vlog, it's on Keeping Up with Aidette, which is of course my vlog channel. Link down below. I post tons more than I used to before. And now we're just gonna move on to the lips, and we are pretty much done with the entire look. For the lips, I'm gonna be using an oldie but a goodie. This is of course Anastasia Pure Hollywood lipstick. Last thing, most important thing, is to set my face with my Urban Decay All-Nighter. We'll be popping all day, I promise you that. That is all today, my angels, for this video, and I'm so happy that you guys continue to support me and always watch my videos. Do not forget to turn on those post notifications, subscribe if you haven't already, give me a thumbs up, and also comment down below the next things that you guys want to see and if you guys like this video. So I will talk to you guys in the next video.